Today we're factoring special cases. So for the difference of squares, we're going to be using the formula a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. So for the problem 9x squared minus 16, we're going to use the formula and square root 9x squared to 3x and negative 16 to negative 4. Now we can finally factor. We have 3x squared, so we could put one 3x in one parenthesis and another 3x in the other. For the negative 4 squared, you do the same thing, except you put positive 4 in one parenthesis and negative 4 in the other. And that should be your answer. To check to see if we got everything right, we take our answer and we multiply them together. So we take 3x times 3x, which is 9x squared, and then we multiply 3x with negative 4, which is negative 12x. And we're going to do the same thing with 4 times 3x, and then 4 times negative 4. After combining like terms, your answer should be the question we originally had. If you get this, you know that we did it right. Now, dealing with perfect squares, we use the formula a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which should equal a plus b times a plus b. When dealing with negative numbers, though, you use a squared minus 2ab plus 2b squared, which gives you a minus b times a minus b. So for our problem, we have 4v squared plus 36v plus 81. So by using the formula, we square root 4v squared into 2v plus 2 times two other numbers with the 2 to equal 36v. And then the square root of 81, which is 9. Now that we have our a and our b, we can finally use the formula and plug in the numbers. Since our a is 2v squared, we put 2v on one side of the parenthesis and 2v on the other side. We do the same with 9 since 9 is 9 squared. Since our factors are the same thing, we combine them and get 2v plus 9 squared. So for our check step, we take our answer and we put them back into two factors. After that, we can multiply both of them. So 2v times 2v, which is 4v squared, and then 2v times 9, which is 18v. Now we do the same thing with 9. So 9 times 2v, and then 9 times 9. Then, after combining like terms, you should get an answer of the question that we originally had. If you got this, then your answer is correct. Now for this problem, we're going to be using the negative version of the formula. So we square root the 49m squared to get our a, which is 7m. Then we subtract 2 times two other numbers for it to equal negative 112, which is 7m and 8. Then we get our b from the square root of 64, which is 8. To put our answer in factoring form, we have to put it in this function. So now that we have our a and b, we just plug it into the formula. Since we're dealing with the negative version of the formula, both of our b's are going to be negative. To check if we got everything right, we write our answer again and multiply the parentheses. So you would multiply 7m by 7m, which is 49m squared, and then 7m times negative 8, which is negative 56m. Then you're going to do the same thing with negative 8. So negative 8 times 7m is negative 56m. And then negative 8 times negative 8 is positive 64. You combine like terms, and your answer should be 49m squared minus 112m plus 64. Which is the question we were started out with originally. This means that your answer is correct. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.